There's not many out anymore. They're hard to find. Most of them have rusted away or been in accidents or just scrapped. You'll find a few here or there. People get pretty excited when they see it because everybody knows the milkman in that generation. Yeah, you can call it a dragster. Street rod, essentially. I believe it is the fastest milk truck out there right now. I've always been interested in vehicles since I was a kid. My dad got me into it. My dad and I have built a handful. Probably this is our 6th project that we've built together. We had gone and watched an event called Hot Rod Drag Week. That style of racing is a very unique style of car. Lots of Camaros, Mustangs, you know, your typical race cars. Me and my dad had talked about building a vehicle to compete in that and didn't really know what we wanted, didn't know what we were looking for, just kind of talked about it, and then we were at a local swap meet and seen the picture of this milk truck, and we kind of looked at each other like this might be a really cool vehicle to do for that. Found out it was actually from Chatfield Dairy in Seymour, Connecticut, is where it originally delivered at. We got a local, brought it home, and started working on it. Putting odd engines in odd vehicles is essentially what we've gotten into and enjoy doing.
6 years ago, Nick Cryer, his dad Mark, and Uncle Bill decided to embark on a new project with the most unlikely of vehicles, a milk truck. The father and son duo had previous experience with customising rides and had a vision of speed for this old delivery truck. Over the course of 4 years, the truck went through a mass of modifications and upgrades, eventually resulting in a daily dairy driver that can top 114 miles an hour.
We brought the truck home, we separated the body and the rolling chassis, put that to the scrapyard and started from scratch. Picked out the engine we wanted. We found the front half of a frame of an actual 95 Chevy pickup truck, so we could use the suspension on that. And then from there, we built the back half, the whole chassis in the back we built from scratch, just regular rectangle tubing, put the rear end in and made everything work and built it new underneath that existing body, so it looked and appeared factory from the outside. And mainly the outside shell is really all that's left from its original setup. Outside of the truck, we have Billet Specialties wheels and tires all the way around with Mickey Thompson Sportsman and ET slicks on the back. Then Fender exit exhaust on both sides of the truck with Dynamax mufflers in line. The truck is from Chatfield Dairy. We left everything, the patina, the way we found it. Even the driver's name's still on the front of it. It says Howie right there.
The outside may look original, but the engine is anything but standard.
496 big block Chevy twin turbo engine. These are the twin turbos. Up here is the Holley Sniper, the EFI fuel injection system.
Although built for speed, this truck is still tasteful.
Then we get into the interior. Put all hardwood floors in. It's acacia hardwood out of a house remodel we did right before this project. It has a B&M shifter in it, a Grant steering wheel, odometer gauges up on the dash. The seats are out of a Dodge Caravan that we found in the scrapyard. We made a stereo that bolted underneath the back seat. It's got a 10-inch sub underneath there, so we can run GPS and have music going down the road as well.
The best thing about this milk truck is all in the delivery.
Truck drives really smooth, actually. Went 114 miles an hour at the race. I was afraid the glass was going to come in. Milk trucks aren't designed to go over 100 miles an hour in their original state. That thing came factory with 107 horsepower in it. Everybody loves it. The older generation loves it because they've seen the milk truck driving around and delivering milk. To see it in hot rod form, it makes a lot of people happy. It's been a lot of fun.
This milk van hasn't finished its round just yet. Nick has some big plans.
And we keep adding more, and there's more changes coming to it. It's an addiction. I want to keep going. I want to go back to the track anytime we can and keep making passes in it. A lot of pride. Something we built and made actually work ourselves. We had a lot of help on the truck as well. We did as much as we could on our own, but reached out to a lot of good friends that helped us along the way. It is the only one. It's the only one that's drag racing. It's probably the only milk truck in the world that'll pull wheelies.